Hi guys, just wanting to share another one of our beauty services with you. So this one is a really cool one for people that don't really know too much about makeup, or they want like new tips and tricks on how to apply things. So this one is the Express Beauty Services. Now what happens is if you guys are coming in to purchase a new product, for example an eyeshadow palette, we can take 10 to 15 minutes to sit down with you, apply it for you, walk you through the process of the best ways to apply it suited to your eye shape, your skin color and all that kind of stuff. So you can get the service for eyebrows. You can get the service for a base, so that's including foundation and blush and powder and so on, and then you can also get it for lips. So all you need to do is come into the store, have a chat to me about what you're wanting to purchase, and if you've got any questions, I'm happy to take some time and sit down with you and teach you how to use it properly.